Hello guys, okay, welcome back to Just Simple Meals. And guys, thank you so much for those who are subscribing to my YouTube channel Just Simple Meals. Thank you so much guys. And of course guys, those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, as you can see, today we are doing something simple. We are doing egg omelette for breakfast. We have our 2 eggs. We have our turmeric powder here. We have our coriander, onions. We have capsicums. We have tomatoes. We have salt, and also you have oil. Guys, let's go cooking. We start with our eggs. We are breaking our eggs. The other one. We add salt. We also add our turmeric. Now guys, we beat our egg. As you can see, we're done with our egg. Now we add our capsicum there, our coriander, our tomatoes, our green capsicum, and also our onions. Now we mix. Make sure you mix well. Like that. You can have a hook. Like that. Now we go straight away to the pan. We add oil to our pan, guys. We add oil. Like that. Let it heat a bit. Guess now it's okay. Now we'll pour our mixture. We spread evenly. Make sure your gas is at medium heat. Like that. Guys, as you can see, omelette is cooking. Guys, as you can see, we can check to see, yeah, it's cooked. Now we'll turn so that we can cook the other side. We turn our egg add oil so that the other side can cook. We are cooking the other side. You can see our egg omelette, how it has turned out to be. And check. Not yet. We still give it some time to cook. We check, guys, to see if it has cooked, and of course it has cooked. Now we prepare our egg omelette. Guys, as you can see, our egg omelette for breakfast is ready. You can see how it looks like. Very simple and also very delicious. You can see. And also, guys, try this at home. Okay, guys, it has been good. Thank you for watching. And also, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meal. Go there, like, share, and also, guys, press the notification button so that when I place a new video, you'll be the first one to see. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.